Hi everyone, this is Sarah Connor. I have worked in the field of child welfare for almost 2 years now. I did my internship at my last employment, which was with the Child Welfare Job and Family Services Agency. I was able to work with cases that are involving child abuse and neglect. Some cases that were involving non-neglect cases or non-abuse cases, to where it was a minor situation of dirty homes or something along those lines. Um, I've also had a chance to work with inmates in the county jail, to where I did group sessions. I was able to develop an assessments with the clients, or the inmates, to where I actually sat down with each of them and determined if they were eligible for the program or if it was something that they just weren't eligible for due to time frame or just their general basic needs. um, Identify the goals for developing into a clinical social worker. My goal is obviously to work within the correction system. I gained that experience previously, and that's what's led me to actually go back to school and seek out my social work degree. I want to be able to help inmates that are about to be released be prepared for what what life's going to be, to help with the institutionalization and recidivism rates inside the correction system. Challenges that I foresee are going to be clients that are reluctant. Diagnosis is also obviously going to be a challenge. I don't have a lot of experience with that. Working with individuals that actually need mental health, AOD, and a combination, I think is a challenge that I think a lot of us will have, because the dual diagnosis is quite prevalent in a lot of our cases or a lot of our clients. Other than that, I think those are like major challenges that I can foresee. Thanks for watching. I hope everybody has a good term, and I'll see you later. Bye.